Okay, so this is the Pumice Valley brush. All I'm gonna do, make it super simple, I got this grip soap, specialty for removing grease, paint, diesel, and more. All I'm gonna do is just make it super simple first. I'll wet my hands a little bit, as so. And then I'm gonna take some of this soap and I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe my hands down really well. Just nice scrubbed. Make sure you can get that soaked in there. And then, all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this brush and then I'm gonna work it in between my fingers like this. Nice and clean. Actually feels really good and exfoliating as well. And I'm just gonna rub it on my hands because when I get that dirt and grime, I usually get it in those callus spots just right here along my palms. So I'm just gonna go ahead and scrub that too. Feels really good. Go ahead and do the back of your hand and then look at the fingernails now. Just go ahead and remove that. That actually feels really good. Especially with that soap. And as you can see, able to get into those areas and it's a really nice clean feeling on your hands. I can be kind of self-conscious myself sometimes when I'm going out to eat with my friends and going out with my family. And I mean, as a welder, I mean, we're touching some pretty greasy, grimy surfaces. You might get grinding dust in there, dirt, scale, whatever you can think of. I mean, our hands are gonna go ahead and absorb all those heavy metals. And the thing is like you can take some soap and you can try to wash it out, but sometimes it just really doesn't do the trick. You need something good in there that'll actually help you scrub your hands. So there you have it. Nice and clean. Check that out.